What if I told you the 2026 Honda CR-V Hybrid isn't just another SUV, it's the quiet revolution on wheels. Welcome back to Car Quest Pro, where horsepower meets storytelling. Today, we're diving into a machine that blends future-thinking design, serious hybrid muscle, and everyday practicality, the 2026 Honda CR-V Hybrid. Buckle up, this one's a ride. At first glance, the 2026 CR-V Hybrid looks sleeker, sharper, and more confident than ever. Honda has given it a wider stance, bolder grille, and sculpted LED lights that feel like they belong on a luxury crossover. It's modern without being flashy, perfect for families, tech lovers, and urban explorers. It's not screaming for attention, but it definitely gets it. Under the hood, this CR-V Hybrid pairs a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with two electric motors, producing a combined 204 horsepower. It's not a race car, but it's quick, going 0 to 60 in about 7.9 seconds. Smooth, quiet, and surprisingly responsive. And thanks to the hybrid system, you get power when you need it and efficiency when you don't. Inside, it's all comfort and cutting edge. A new 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a digital instrument cluster give it a high-tech edge. Honda's sensing suite comes standard, so think adaptive cruise, lane keeping, and collision prevention all watching your back. Plus, the cabin is roomier than ever with best-in-class rear legroom. Now the big question, what's the damage? Prices start around $34,500, and fully loaded trims push into the $41,000 range. But for a hybrid SUV that nails design, tech, comfort, and fuel efficiency, that's a solid value. Whether you're upgrading from an older SUV or going green for the first time, the 2026 CR-V Hybrid makes the transition easy and exciting. This isn't just a vehicle. It's Honda's quiet power move, and we at Car Quest Pro think it's one of the smartest buys of 2026.